Looking to add sharp, powerful highs to your system? Today, we're covering the top 5 best bullet tweeters for car audio, perfect for ultra-clear vocals and cutting through loud bass setups. Starting strong, the Pioneer TSB350PRO tweeters are all about efficiency and volume. Each tweeter handles 100 watts RMS and up to 250 watts peak, featuring a titanium diaphragm for clean, sharp highs. The wide frequency response from 3.5 kHz to 27 kHz ensures detailed sound even at high output levels. Designed for professional-level sound pressure, these Pioneers deliver brilliant, crisp highs without distortion, perfect for cutting through powerful bass builds. If you want clarity and durability from a trusted brand, the TSB350PRO is a top-tier pick. Next up, the DS18PRO-TW220 is a serious contender for loud, aggressive highs. Handling a massive 240 watts RMS and featuring a durable aluminum frame, these 4-inch bullet tweeters deliver incredible volume and reach. They're built with a high-strength ferrite magnet and include an inline capacitor to protect against distortion at high volume. If you want screaming highs that can match heavy bass output, DS18's PRO-TW220 tweeters bring professional SPL-grade performance to your ride. The ROCKFORD FOSGATE PP4T is a small but mighty bullet tweeter, perfect for precision sound. Rated at 50 watts RMS and 100 watts peak, it uses an aluminum dome and a compact horn design to maximize directional clarity. Its 4-ohm impedance makes it easy to pair with most amplifiers, and it includes a built-in crossover to block damaging low frequencies. If you want focused, extremely clear highs with ROCKFORD's legendary durability, the PP4T is an outstanding choice, especially for pro-level installation. The PRV Audio TW350Ti-4 brings professional-grade output with a titanium diaphragm and strong motor structure. Handling 120 watts RMS and peaking at 240 watts, this tweeter delivers sharp, dynamic highs without harshness. Its compact size and efficient design allow for flexible installation without sacrificing output. The TW350Ti-4 is perfect for audiophiles and SPL competitors who need bulletproof tweeters that stay clean and loud at extreme volume level. Finally, we have the DS18PRO-TW120B, a favorite for extreme car audio setups. Rated at 120 watts RMS, these 1.5-inch tweeters feature aluminum diaphragms and high-grade ferrite magnets for crisp, piercing highs that cut through even the thickest bass. They also come with built-in capacitors to protect your system and are housed in durable cast aluminum frames. If you're building a show-level system and want top-end sparkle and projection, the Pro TW120B is a reliable and stylish choice. And that's our list of the top 5 best bullet tweeters for car audio. Which tweeters will upgrade your build? Comment below and subscribe for more real-world car audio gear reviews.